Last day. I'm out. I'm excited. Let's go, let's go. Jean's waiting for me. And I got out early. I don't care if they don't pay me for 4 hours. I'm gone. Peace. Bye, Pleasanton. I'm not gonna miss you. So we're here in Glendale, outside of LA. We drove last night, and today's our first stop, our first real drive, I guess. We're going to Joshua Tree and then Phoenix. We had to stop at Porto's for breakfast and coffee. Tired. John drove pretty good last night. Not bad, not bad.
And we didn't die. Shame on y'all for doubting me all these years.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through.
Sit. Oh my god. It's okay. Ow! Sit. There you go. Joshua Tree National Park. And it's the windiest day of the week. Could you tell?
Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you. This is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention.
So we stopped again somewhere near more trees, and here they are. It's like super eerie here and like alien-like, very deserty. I mean, obviously it's a desert, but like the Joshua trees look so weird, but really interesting. And it's like really windy. We're gonna stop as many times as we can. We're not planning on hiking because we gotta get to Phoenix tonight. We were actually supposed to camp here, but it's like really cold and windy, and we were like, let's just book an Airbnb. So that's what we're gonna do. Good morning. It is day 2. Day 2? Day 3. I don't even know. Technically it's like day 3 of our road trip because we started the first day but at nighttime. It's day 3 of our road trip, and we are at Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah.
And we just left our Airbnb. We stayed with a 77-year-old lady with a really cute dog, and we felt bad because we got there really late, like at 10:30, and I feel like it was past her bedtime. But anyways, so now we are going to White Sands. Yay! Yay! And then we got some Dunkin' Donuts.
Munchkins!
Dunkin' Donuts. Jean got this cup of cream here.
They messed it up.
And we good on snacks for the rest of the road because we still got some Portos and we still got hot Cheetos here, you know what I'm saying?
Yes!
Alright, we have 6-hour drives to go, and then we're trying to beat the sunset. Libby, do you want to say anything? No?
It was all for you, so don't take advantage or leave my heart damaged. You understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. So won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.
Right, we are here in White Sands. Yay! It's so cold. We just finished watching the sunset, and we sand sled.
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 I think.
That was fun. We only did it like 3 times.
Because it was scary.
No, it wasn't that scary, but it's so nice here. I would come back.
One of my favorite spots that I've been to.
Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Ah! Can you like do something and look at me? Ooh, this is a nice picture. So beautiful. Come here.
I don't want to leave. Everything's so beautiful.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. It's so nice. I'm so cold. What are you eating? What are you eating?
Census.org, number 3030. Why don't you go ahead and tell me?
Let's get personal. Got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you.